Here, this question is actually based on the concept of chapter log and arithmetic progression. So in this question, for a real number x, if 1 by 2 comma log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to base 3 over log of 4 to base 3 and log of 2 to the power x plus 17 by 2 to base 5 over log of 4 to base 5 are in an AP, then find the common difference. Okay, let's write these three terms on same base. Okay, so here we can write it log this 1 by 2 and this log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to base 4. And this you can write log of 2 to the power x plus 17 by 2 to base 4. Okay, actually here the simple concept of log chapter is if log of x to base a over log of y to base a, this you can write as log of x to base y. So this is I'm using it. And it is a 1 by 2. So the first term can also be written as on a base of a 4 like 1 by 2 into 1. 1 is log of 4 to base 4. And this 1 by 2 into log of 2 to the power 2 to base 4. This 2 will come here, this cancel. So this 1 by 2 can be written as log of 2 to base 4. Okay, so this I'm writing here log of log of 2 to base 4. So here these three terms are on a same base. This is 2 to the power x minus 9 to base 4. And this is log of 2 to the power x plus 17 by 2 to base 4. Correct. So now it is easy to find the common difference. Common difference, as you know, for any AP, there's a difference of two consecutive terms, and it is always common in arithmetic progression. So here the first term and second term. So let's see the common differences. Second term minus first term. So second term is log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to base 4 minus first term log of 2 to base 4. So basic formula of log chapter, then base is same, then log of 2 to the power x minus 9 over log of 2 to base 4. So this is a common difference. But point is none of the choices here with the x. So it means the main task of the question, main task of this question is to find the value of x. Okay. So let's see what is the value of x here. Look here, actually, for any three terms like A, B, C, and A, B, then twice B is equal to A plus C. Okay. This I'm going to use here for finding the value of x. Okay, like these are the three terms. These three terms are in an AP. Okay. So here the 2 into second terms. Second term is this is means log of 2 to the power x minus 9 to base 4 is equal to first sum of the first and the last term log of 2 base 4 and log of 2 to the power x plus 17 by 2 to base 4. Right? This is A, 2b is equal to A plus C base C. So now it is 2 to the power x minus 9 square. And here it is based on a formula, when the base is same, then it can be written as 2 into 2 to the power x plus 17 by 2. So now both sides we can remove this log 4. So now actually it is 2 to the power x minus 9 square is equal to 2 into 2 to the power x plus 7. Let us take this 2 to the power x. Let 2 to the power x is equal to y. So this is y minus 9 square is equal to 2 into y plus 17. This is y square minus 18y plus 81 is equal to 2y plus 70. So this is going to be y square. This minus 18y and minus 20y and plus 81 minus 17, it is 64 is equal to 0. So here, solve it. So y minus 16 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 16 and y is equal to 4. So now this 2 to the power x is equal to 16 means x is equal to 4 and 2 to the power x is equal to 4 means x is equal to. So now final common difference is the log of 2 to the power x minus 9 by 2 to base. So if you take x is equal to 2, if you will take x is equal to 2, then 2 to the power 2 minus 9 by 2, 8 minus 9 is a minus 1 by 2. And you know, there is no the log value of a negative term. This means x is equal to 2 is not our desirable value of this question. So here, simply x is equal to 4 is a proper value of x. So now, for x is equal to 4 log 2 to the power 4 minus 9 by 2 to base 4 means common difference is log of 7 by 2 log of 7 by 2 to base 4 is asked. This is asked. This question is based on a basic understanding of algebra. If x is a positive real number such that x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 847, then find the value of x to the power 9 plus 1 upon x to the power 9. X to the power 9 plus 1 upon x to the power 9 is to be found. This we can find this like x to the power 3 plus 1 upon x to the power 3 whole cube. The formula is x to the power 9 upon 1 upon x to the power 9 plus 3 x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So basic point is to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. It is given, right? So here x to the power 8 plus 1 upon x to the power 8 is 47. If I add 2 both sides, then is just become 49. And here you can take x square plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is square. Okay. So actually it is x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is plus minus 7, but it is a positive real number, so this is going to 7. And further again, if I add plus to both sides, then same way you can find x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7 plus 2, 9, 3. And actually you read this. So here, if I add 2, this time, then it is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, then it is 5. And here it is x plus 1 upon x square is equal to 5. This is 5 means we can write it like this. Okay. And now we can find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube by using the formula x plus 1 upon x cube. This is x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 x plus 1 upon x. And here we have a value of x plus 1 upon x. So this is root 5 whole cube, and this is plus 3 root 5. So root 5 whole cube, this is going to be, mm, this is here root 5, this is 25. So this is 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube, means it is 2 root 5. So this value I can put here. So 2 root 5 whole cube is equal to x9 plus 1 upon 9 plus 3 into 2 root 5. Here it is 8 by 40 root 5. And this 3 to the 6, just right, is root 5. 6 root 5. So finally, 40 minus 6, 34. X to the power 9 plus 1 upon x to the power 9 is equal to 34 root 5. Question number 3. Let n and n be two positive integers such that there are exactly 41 integers greater than 8 to the power m and less than 8 to the power n, which can be expressed as powers of 2. Then the smallest possible value of n plus m. Okay, 8 to the power m and 8 to the power n. Between 8 to the power m and 8 to the power n is greater than 8 to the power m and less than 8 to the power n. There are 41 integers. And these 41 integers can be expressed as a power of 2. Here 8 to the power n we can write as 2 to the power 3m. So 41 integers means first integers can be, which is greater than 2 to the power 3m, is like 2 to the power 3m plus 1, right? Second integers 2 to the power 3m plus 2, 2 to the power 3m plus 3. All these integers will be greater than 2 to the power 3m. And there are 41 integers, so 2 to the power. So these are integers, all these integers greater than 2 to the power 3m. Okay, it is very clear that 2 to the power 3m plus 2 is greater than this is greater than this is greater than this. Okay. So these are the 41 integers. And now the question is, it should be less than 8 to the power n. So if 2 to the power 3m plus 41, we take less than 8 to the power n, then it is quite obvious that all these 40 integers will be definitely less than 8 to the power n. So like 2 to the power 3m plus 41 must be less than 8 to the power n. So 8 to the power n is 2 to the power 3m. And here 2 to the power 3m plus 14. Now the question is, smallest possible value of n plus n. So here, possible smallest value of m, possible smallest value of m will be 1. If I take 1, then 2 to the power 3 into 1 plus 41, it should be less than 2 to the power 3. This is 2 to the power 42. 2 to the power 44 will be less than 2 to the power 3n. It is a matter of smallest. So 2 to the power 45, if I take 2 to the power 45, this is the smallest possible value of 2 to the power 45, which is greater than 2 to the power 44. So now 2 to the power 44, we can write 2 to the power 3 into 15. So now it is very clear that n is going to be 50. Okay, so n is 15 and m is 1. The possible smallest value of m will be 1. And for this smallest value of m, 1, n will be, the smallest possible value of n will be 15. So now answer is n plus m, 15 plus 1, 16 is the smallest possible value. And this is answer. Answer is 16. For some real numbers a and b, the system of equation x plus y is equal to 4 and a plus 5x plus b square minus 15y is equal to 8b has infinitely many solutions for x and y, then the maximum possible value of a, b. So here two equations, x plus y, x plus y is equal to 4, and this a plus 5x plus b square minus 15y is equal to 8b. These are two equations. The condition of these two equations has infinitely many solutions. It means condition the coefficient of x is 1 of first equation and the coefficient of x of second equation 1 upon a plus 5 will equal to the coefficient of y 1 upon here b square minus 15 is equal to 4 upon 8. So it is a basic concept of linear equations. The two equations a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, the second equation. And for infinite solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. It is a basic concept and conceptual understanding, which definitely you all know. So here use this. And now 1 upon a plus 5 is equal to 1 upon b square minus 15 is equal to 4 upon 8. So this is 1 upon 2b. Now here we have to find the maximum value of a and b. Means value of a and b is required. So look here. Let us take 1 upon a plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 2b. So it means a plus 5 is equal to a plus 5 is equal to 2b. And if I take 1 upon b square minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 2b, then it is b square b square minus 15 is equal to 2b. B square minus 15 is equal to 2b means b square minus 2b minus 15 is equal to 0. So these are two equations. If I solve it, then here it is b square minus 5b plus 3b minus 15 is equal to. So this is b minus 5 plus 3b minus 5 means b plus 3 and b minus 5 is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 5. So now if I take b is equal to minus 3, for b is equal to minus 3, in this equation, a plus 5 is equal to 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 and this a minus 11. Minus 6, this 5, minus 5, so a is 11. So the maximum value is here of a and b is minus 3 into minus 11 is coming 30. Here the a into b is 33. For b is equal to minus 3. Another value you have b is equal to 5, so check it also. If I take this value of 5, then a plus 5 is equal to 2b. So here 2 into 5. So this time it is 10 plus a is equal to 5. So for b is equal to 5, a is 5. In this condition, a into b is 5 into 5, 25. Actually, you have to find the maximum possible value. So this AB is equal to 33, for B is equal to minus 3, and for B is equal to 5, it is only 25. AB is 25, so maximum value answer is 33. For some question number 5, let n be any natural number such that 5 to the power n minus 1 less than 3 to the power n plus 1. Then the least integer value of m that satisfies 3 to the power n plus 1 less than 2 to the power n plus m for each such n is. Okay. N is a natural number. 5 to the power n minus 1, 3 to the power n plus 1. So n is a natural number which satisfies this inequality that 5 to the power n minus 1 less than 3 to the power n plus 1. Then the least integer value of m that satisfies 3 to the power n plus 1 less than 2 to the power n plus 1. So here we have to find the least integer value of m. Least. Okay. It is 3 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power n plus 1. If m is least, then the biggest possible value of m is required here is 3 to the power n plus 1 is going to be less than 2 to the power n plus m. And where this m is a least, it means the biggest possible value of n is required. Okay, and here n is a natural number to satisfy this inequality. So first task is to find the biggest possible value of n. Biggest possible value of n which satisfy this given inequality. So simple method, if I put n is equal to 1, then this 1 minus 1, 5 to the power 0, and here 3 to the power 1 plus 1. So definitely inequality is satisfying. If I take n is equal to 2, then this is 5 to the power 1, then this is 3 to the power 3. Okay, again this inequality is satisfying for n is equal to 2. If I take n is equal to 3, then this is 5 to the power 2, and this is 3 to the power 4. 81 is greater than 25. Okay. If I take n is equal to 4, then this is 5 to the power 3, and this is 2, 4, 3, right? Here. Okay. If I take n is equal to 5, then 5 to the power 5 minus 1, 4, and here 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6 is 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, and this is, and it is 625. So 7 to 9 is greater than 625. So here is inequality is satisfying. But as you take n is equal to 6, if you take n is equal to 6, then 6 minus 1, 5 to the power 5. And here it is 3 to the power 6. Now check it. 5 to the power 5 is actually 3125. And 7 to, and that this 3 to the power 6 is, means 7 to 9. If you multiply it by 3 more, 3 9 are 27, 3 to the 6 to 8. This time 3125 is greater than 2287, right? So this is, so right now the value of n is equal to 6 will not satisfy this inequality. So this way you can say the maximum possible value of n will be 5. So now you know n is, this is the biggest possible value of n which satisfy this given inequalities. Now come to the question. Question is, we have to find the least possible value of m which can satisfy this inequality. So here we have to find the biggest possible value of n is 3 to the power 5 plus 1, 6. And here it is 2 to the power 5 plus 1. So 3 to the power 6, 3 to the power 6 is, 7 to 9. And here 2 to the power 5 is 32 into 2 to the power half. So what should we take now? The value of m. It is 32. If you take m is equal to 4, then it is 16. 16 into 32 is less than 7 to 3. Okay? 6. If you take m is equal to 4, then 2 to the power 16. 16 into 32 is 16. Or 480 and 32 is 512. 512 is less than 7 to 9. It means m is equal to 4 is not satisfying, right? Then if I take m is equal to 5, then 32 and 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay, so 32 into 32 is 1024 and 1024 is greater than 729. Means for the smallest value of m, which is 5, this inequality will satisfy. So here, the smallest possible value of m will be 5, which satisfy this given inequalities. For the biggest possible value of n is 5, which I put. So answer is 5. Here the sum of first two natural numbers, each having 15 factors, including one and the number itself, is this is to be find out. So let us take the first natural number is n1 and second one natural number is n1, another is n. So each having 15 factors. Okay. Look here, there is a formula. If a number is like n a to the power x into e to the power y into c to the power z, so the total number of factors you can use, total number of factors equal to x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z plus 1. This is a basic formula for finding the total number of the factors. So let us take n1. Actually, it is with the first two natural numbers. So let us take the prime factors, the first two prime factors like 2 and 3. If I take 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4, then 2 plus 1 and 4 plus 1, 3 into 5 is the total number of factors 15. So in this scenario, n1 is going to be 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 3 to the power 4 is 81. 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 3 to 4. This is 3 to 4. And in second case, I take second natural number is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. So now again, 4 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. This is 5 into 3 means 15. Means N2 will also have a 15 factors. It means N2 is 2 to the power 14 is 16 and 3 to the power 2 is 9. So N2 is 133. So one natural number is 144 and the second natural number is 324. And here in this question, we have to find the sum of these two natural numbers means 144 and 324. Answer is 4, 6. Answer is 4, 6. Yeah. Question number 7. A quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two real roots. If the difference between the reciprocal of the roots is 1 by 3 and the sum of the reciprocals of the squares of the root is 5 by 9, then the largest possible value of p plus c. Let the roots are alpha and beta for this quadratic equations. Difference between the reciprocal of the root is 1 by 3. So it is 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta is 1 by 3. And sum of the reciprocals of the squares of the roots is 5 by 9. So this is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square is 5 by 9. Then the largest possible value of b plus c is to be found. Now see, for this quadratic equations, as you know from your concept class that for ax square is bs plus c is equal to 0, the roots are alpha and beta. Then alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c. So for this quadratic equations, alpha plus beta minus b upon a is 1 here. So this is b. And alpha into beta, c upon a. So c upon a is 1 to c. Okay. Now look, from these two equations, we will find the value of b and c. Like if we take 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta square, then formula is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square minus 2 upon alpha into beta. So 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta is given 1 by 3, so it is 1 by 9. And 1 upon alpha square plus beta square is given 5 by 9, so right here it is 5 by 3. Minus 2 by alpha into beta. So 5 by 9 minus 4, 1 by 9 is 4 by 9. So it is 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 is minus. So you can say alpha and beta. This is minus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus minus minus. So alpha beta is 9 by 3. Alpha into beta 9 by 2 and alpha into beta is c. It means c is equal to 9 by 2. This is the value of c. Okay, now find value of b. For this, okay, if I take 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta square, then this will be 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta square plus 4 alpha total. This 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta square can be written as alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. And this 1 alpha upon 1 minus beta from equation number 1 by 3 square is 1 by 1. And this is 4 upon alpha beta, which is equal to c. And C, you already calculated 9 by 2. And here alpha plus beta is a minus B. So right here minus B. Alpha beta is equal to C, right? 1 by 9, 1 by 9 plus 4 by C. B square by C square. Okay. And same time, we can put here the value of C is 9 by 2 square. It is 1 by 9. And this is 4 by 9 by 2. So this way you can get the value of B. This B square is B square, then 51 by 4. And here it is 1 upon 9 plus 8 by 9. So this 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9 is equal to 1. So B square is going to be 81 by 4 into 1. So B will be plus minus 9 by 10. We have to find the largest possible value of B plus C. C we have calculated 9 by 2 and the B is coming here plus 9 by 2 and B is minus 9. So if I take minus 9 by 2, then B plus C will be 0. But since we have to find the largest possible value, so we will take B is equal to 9 by 2 and C is equal to 9 by 2. So the final answer is going to be 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 9. Means B plus C will equal to B is 9 by 2, C is also 9 by 2. So answer B plus C is equal to 9. This is our answer. Question number 8. Anil mixes cocoa with sugar in a ratio 3:2 to prepare mixture A and coffee with sugar in a ratio 7:3 to prepare mixture B. Okay, this is mixture B. He combines mixture A and B in a ratio 2:3 to make a new mixture C. If he mixes C with an equal amount of milk to make a drink, okay, then the percentage of sugar in this drink is to be found. Okay, so in mixture A, the ratio between cocoa and sugar is T:2. And in mixture B, the ratio between coffee and sugar is given 7:3. And in mixture C, the ratio between mixture A and B is given 2:3. Okay. And finally, in a drink, C is quantity of C and same quantity of milk. This is. And here you have to find the percentage of sugar in it. Okay. Okay, here it is given that mixture C is a mixture of A and B in a ratio 2:3. 2:3. So, okay, here you are finding the percentage of sugar. Okay, the percentage is a kind of a ratio. So, let us assume A is 10 liter and B is 15 liters. So, it is 2 into 3. Correct? It means the quantity of mixture C is 25 liters. And it is given that he mixes C with an equal amount of milk, means the quantity of milk he mixes also 25 liters to prepare a drink. In this drink, you have to find the sugar percentage. Okay, so the total quantity of a drink is 50 liters. Sugar is coming from mixture A. So in mixture A, the cocoa and sugar ratio is 3 to 2. So you have taken 10 liter of mixture A. So in a 10 liter, sugar will be 2 upon 5. And mixture B, you have taken 15 liters. So in this 15 liter, the quantity of sugar will be 3 upon 10 and 200. This is answer. 15 2 it is 5 2 2 to 4. 4 plus this is 5 3 2 9 by 2. 9 by 2 and 2. So 8 plus 9. 7. Answer is 17%. Question. Here in this question, a merchant purchases a cloth at the rate of rupee 100 per meter and receives 5 centimeter length of cloth for every 100 centimeter length of the cloth purchased by him. He sells the same cloth at the rate of rupee 100 per meter, but cheats his customer by giving 95 centimeter length of cloth for every 100 centimeter length of the cloth purchased by the customer. If the merchant provides a 5% discount, the resulting profit earned by him is. So here in rupees 100 per meter, he receives 5 centimeter length of the cloth free for every 100 centimeter. It means in 100 rupees, he purchased 105 centimeter. So the cost price of 1 centimeter will be 100 upon 105. Okay. And he sells the cloth at the rate of 110 rupees per meter, but cheats his customer by giving 95 centimeter. It means the rate he is giving 110 rupees for 100 centimeter, but offering only 95 centimeters. So this 110 rupees is actually a selling price of 95 centimeter. Is it okay? This is a selling price for 95 centimeter. Okay. And here he is also giving 5% discount. So the selling price will be 110 divided by 95 centimeter. It is a 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter cloth claim selling price, right? It is a claim selling price of a merchant for a 1 centimeter. But he is offering 5% discount, means he is giving to the 95% of this to the customer. Okay. So this is the selling price and this is the cost price of 1 centimeter. This is the cost price of 1 centimeter and this is a selling price of 1 centimeter. So SP upon CP. This is 110 into 95. 95 into 100 over 100 upon 105. This cancel. Let this cancel. This is 20 by 21. So SP over CP is 11 by 10 into 20 into 20. So if CP is 100, then selling price will be, this is 2 and the selling price is 11 1 11, 11 to the 22 plus 1 is 100 15.5. So 115.5% means more than 100 is 15.5%. So this 100 plus 15.5. So this is your profit. Answer is 15.5. Question number 10. The population of a town in 2020 was 1 lakh. The population decreased by Y% from the year 2020 to 2021 and increased by X% from the year 2021 to 2022, where X and Y are two natural numbers. The population in 2022 was greater than the population in 2020, and the difference between X and Y is 10. Then the lowest possible population of the town in 2021 was. Okay. So in 2020, population is given 1 lakh. Then it is in decrease by Y% in 2020. Then from 2021, it is increased by X% in 2020. If the population in 22 population in 2022 was greater than the population in 2020 year, and the difference between X and Y is given 10%. Then the lowest possible population of the town in 2021. Here we have to find the lowest possible population of the town in 2020. So look here. These are two successive changes. First Y%, and then first this decrease and then increase. And 2022 population is greater than that of 2020. It simply suggests that net percentage change is a positive. Instead, for these two successive changes, first decrease, then increase, if we find the net percentage change, then it must be positive, because only in that condition the population of 2022 will be greater than 2020, right? So net percentage change, there is very simple formula of the concept class X plus Y plus XY upon 100. This is the formula for net percentage changes for two successive discounts. So here minus Y and then plus X and then minus Y plus X upon 100. This is net percentage change in place of these two successive changes. And it must be positive. Only in that condition, the population of 2022 will be greater than 2020. Means this is greater than 0. Now it is given X and Y difference is 10. So definitely X will be Y plus 10. So minus Y, X is going to be Y plus 10. And here minus into plus minus, so I'm taking minus here. And this is Y, X is Y plus 10 upon 100 greater than 0. This Y and Y is cancelled. This is 10 minus Y minus, okay. So LCM will be 100. And 100 into 10, 1000 minus Y square minus 10Y greater than 0. So finally we have a equation 1000 minus Y square minus 10Y greater than 0. We have to find the lowest possible population of the town in 2021. So the least possible value of Y, the magnitude of Y must be the least possible value. So see this inequalities. Okay, very simple approach. If I take hit and trial the value of a Y, like if I take 30, if I take Y is 30, then this is 1000, minus 30 square is 900, and 930 into 10 is 300. So definitely it cannot be a greater than 0. So inequality will not satisfy for y is equal to 13. If you take y is equal to 29, then 1000 minus 29 is 841, and this is 298, and this is going to be greater than 1000. So again, this will be less than 0. So inequality will not satisfy for y is equal to 29. If I take y is equal to 28, then 1000 minus 784 minus 280, and this is also greater than 1000. So it will be this. So this y is equal to 20 will be satisfied. As you write y is equal to 27, then 1000 minus 7 to 9 and minus 27 to that 270. And this is 1000 minus 999. So this is greater than 0. It means the least possible value of y is at 27. Okay, so now it is very simple. The lowest possible population of the town in 2021. The population will be, this is one hand. The population of 2021 will be 100 minus 27% of 2020 population. And it was given 1 lakh. So this is 73,000. This is our answer. This question is Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet working together would have taken more than 7 days to finish the job. On the other hand, Rahul and Gurmeet working together would have taken less than 15 days to finish the job. However, they all worked together for 6 days, followed by Rakshita, who worked alone for 3 more days to finish the job. If Rakshita had worked alone on the job, then the number of days she would have taken to finish the job cannot be. So suppose Rahul do daily here A work. If Rahul do daily A work and Rakshita do daily B work and Gurmeet do daily C work. So when they are working together, would have taken more than 7 days to finish the job. It means in 7 days altogether they will finish 7A plus B plus C work, which is actually less than full work. In 7 days, work done by Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet is 7A plus B plus C work, which is less than full work. And here it is given that Rahul and Gurmeet, when working together, then they would have taken less than 15 days to finish the job. It means 15 days work of Rahul means A plus Gurmeet C. So 15 days work of Rahul and Gurmeet is 15 A plus C work, which is actually greater than full work. Greater than full work. And it is also given that when they all are working together for 6 days, plus Rakshita, 3 more days work is equal to the full work. It means 6 days work of Rahul, Rakshita, and Gurmeet work plus 3 days more work of Rakshita is equal to the full work. Correct? So now, From equation number 1 and this equation number 3, you can say the 7a plus 7b plus 7c is less than 6a, and 6b plus 3b is the 9b plus 6c. Means 7a minus 6a is going to be a, and 7b and this 9b, okay. 7c minus 6c is plus c, and this is correct. So look here, it means work of a plus c is less than 2b. Okay. So if I add this, if I multiply it by 6, it means 6a plus 6c is less than 12b. Means 6a plus 6c is less than 12b, right? So the whole work is 6a plus 9b plus 6c. If I add 9b both sides, then it becomes, this is the full work. It is a full work less than 21-day work of a B. Is it okay? B is what? Means Rakshita. So Rakshita's 21 days work is a greater than full work. So it suggests that Rakshita will take less than 21 days to finish the whole work. Is it clear? From these two equations, if a plus c is less than 2b, I multiplied by both sides 6a, 6c, 12b, and then add 9b both sides. Then it becomes 9a plus 6b plus 6c. This is your amount of full work. So this full work is less than 12 plus 9 is 21 p. Is the full work is actually the less than the 21 days work of a Rakshita. So it means Rakshita will take less than 21 days to finish the whole work. This is point number 1. But if I take this 15a, 15a plus 15c greater than this full work is actually 6a plus 9b plus 6c. So here 15 minus 6, 9a, and 15c minus 6 is again 9c is greater than 9b. It means a plus c is greater than b. So if you add this time, if you multiply it by a plus c, 6, it is 6a plus 6c is greater than 6b. And now add both sides, 9b. Then it is 9a plus 6b plus 6c is actually full work. Full work is greater than 6b plus 9b, means 15 days. 15b. It means the amount of full work is actually more than the Rakshita's 15 days work. So it means Rakshita will take to finish this full work more than 15 days. So in second case, you can say Rakshita will take more than 15 days to finish the whole work. Is it okay? So I think now you can answer the question in how many days it is actually full work. 6a, 6a plus 6b plus 6c, it is 9 day work. Okay. So now you can say Rakshita will take less than 21. Rakshita will take less than 21 days and more than 15 days. So question was cannot do less than 21. So it is right. Cannot be. 20 days less than 21. 17 less than 21 and greater than 15 can. 16 less than 21 greater than 15. Yes. Less than 20 it is 21. So C cannot do the job in 21 days. Answer is 21.